Josh Fairbairn. Over the last year, I've worked on developing a pair of headphones that takes the high premium quality sound from brands you know, like Dr. Dre Beats and Bose, and meshing it together with a cool design like that of Skull Candy. Our intentions are to create the best pair of headphones on the market. Along with being affordable and high quality, our headphones at Headcase Sound have teamed up with 5 of the world's most notable charities to help combat against extreme global poverty.
Hey, my name is Becky Straw and I'm the co-founder and chief adventurist of the Adventure Project, and we're a non-profit that creates jobs in developing countries.
Hey everyone, my name is Eugene Cho. I'm the founder of One Day's Wages. One Day's Wages is a grassroots movement of people, stories, and actions to alleviate extreme global poverty.
We need a team of global citizens to back and fund our campaign on Indiegogo. Our goal of $50,000 will be used to manufacture the first production line. And don't forget that $10 from each pair will go to helping our organizations and their causes.